like no matter what, it's just always a chance. Sunday. The weather's actually perfect right now. We're here for it's SCCA Indy region time trials. So yeah, it's a local regional one. There was 2 events, so there's 3 and 4. This is going to be the 4th event. We just did our first practice session. Patrick will probably put this in, but basically we came back from a wedding at midnight, so a little out of it. Practice session went well. I'm betting in these new pads, so didn't really get a flyer down and put like a 45 or something done before I came in. So yeah, we're gonna keep going out. I think there's 2 more practice sessions in the morning. They're not timed, they're not recorded or anything like that. They time them, the times don't count. And then yeah, in the afternoon we'll be doing our actual session. There's 5 people in S3 unless something changed. So there's one guy that's pretty close in speed. So yeah, it'll probably be me and him fighting it out today. So yeah, should be a good day. So yeah, so we just finished our 2nd practice session. Again, only the after lunch sessions are actually, they're all timed, but they don't count towards the time attack. So yeah, basically now the pads are bedded, they feel a lot better. I did a 143.26. I'd like to break into the 42s, that would be pretty good for an S3 car basically. The track's fast right now. It's pretty cold, it's obviously gonna heat up and get colder, but yeah, as far as I know, I'm leading my class by 5 seconds.
All right, so Will is at some driver's meeting. So he ended that session early. I guess he got the car into limp mode somehow. I think we're thinking that it could be like an intercooler pipe or something with the intake that we touched that maybe, I don't know, threw the car off. So we're gonna look around and see what it is. So we took for a quick drive and we realized that there was definitely a boost leak of some sort, probably an intercooler piping, so we started checking around for those.
Novice drivers.
We found out what happened. As I suspected, it was a coupler on the turbo outlet. That looks like it, yeah, I just loosened or burst off. I'm not really sure how that happened. So yeah, I'm gonna go through, retighten everything, and then go out. The way these sessions work is we have 3 time sessions. I don't know why it didn't happen this morning. That would be much better, because those aren't timed. They don't matter. So anyways, gonna replace this, and it should be an easy fix. Yeah. Hopefully we should be good to go. Sweet. video. I just got back from the second time session of today. There's a bit of a gap. Yeah, there's a thermal runaway incident. So they closed the track for a little bit. Basically, the boost issue is fixed, so it is that pipe and those clamps. So maybe I'll get a some like turbo clamps, which are basically like worm gear clamps, but they're really like high strung. They can handle that. So that looks like it's fixed. And right now, the way it is I'm in first by like less than 1/10 of a second. So it's actually really close. Number 2 is a Civic Type R with a bunch of illegal mods. So it's at least, it's good that we're beating that, because that's, quite a bit more powerful of a car. So yeah, we're gonna do the last session. Looks like most people are packing up, so I think it'll be a pretty small session, and we'll see if we can get into the 43s again. So yeah, we just finished up probably what's going to end up being the last session of the day for me. We basically, I was stuck in the 44s there for a little bit. Obviously had, boost issues. That's held up so far, fixed. So at this point, I banged out a 143.3, which is the fastest S3 time of the day by a second and a half at this point. So looks like it's done. I won S3. Guy in second, I think he already packed up and left at this point. So yeah, I think we did it. It won. Car held up. Other than the one issue, but again, running a lot more boost than you normally run. So we'll get a fix for that, or maybe we'll ask Six if they've ever seen something like that. But yeah, car ran great. It's a great time. It's kind of looking like it might rain eventually, so we're probably gonna pack up, get some food, get some celebratory drinks, and then come back for the award ceremony.
All right, so there you go. That is Will winning the SCCA Gingerman event. It was a pretty solid event all in all. Obviously, we had that hiccup with the intercooler, but stuff happens. It definitely took a long time to edit, so if you liked the video, definitely like it. Maybe subscribe as well. Definitely going to be filming a lot more of this stuff. I really enjoyed it. And yeah, hoping to keep racing. This season's kind of coming to an end, but next year I'm hoping to have a car myself again to race, and we'll be filming more videos with Will. So definitely going to be a really, really good time. We've got a lot more stuff coming to the Elantra N, so if you like that content, definitely subscribe. There's going to be a lot more coming. Yeah, there you go. Thanks for watching.